Simplify the binomial 5x minus 2y quantity squared. Now don't make the mistake of just squaring each of these terms. You'll be forgetting your inner and outer products. But what we can do is use our formula for squaring a binomial difference, which takes our first term, 5x, and squares it. Since this has a minus sign in the middle, we'll use a minus sign for our second or middle term, minus 2 times the product of our first term, 5x, and our second term, 2y, plus, finally, we'll look at this last term, which comes from 2y quantity squared. Now let's simplify what we have here. 5x quantity squared, squaring both pieces of this product, gives 25x squared minus our product in the middle. 2 times 5x is 10x times 2y gives a 20xy. And lastly, squaring each of these product pieces, 2 squared is 4 and y squared. So the simplified form of the quantity 5x minus 2y squared is 25x squared minus 20xy plus 4y squared.